Question 171 is for the redox reaction MnO4 minus plus C2O4 2 minus plus H plus gives Mn2 plus CO2 plus H2O. The correct coefficients of the reactants for the balanced equation are okay. So here we have a redox reaction. Okay, so first let's understand what is redox reaction. So redox reaction is the reaction where both reduction and oxidation takes place simultaneously. Okay. So it is our equation. So in this equation, both reduction and oxidation is taking place. Okay. So basically we have to balance this redox reaction, and after balancing we have to choose the correct coefficients of the reactants. So what are reactants? We have three reactants: MnO4 minus, C2O4 2 minus, and H plus, and three products. Products are Mn2 plus, CO2 and H2O. Okay. So now let's solve it. Okay. So here first observe this. Here in MnO4 minus, Mn has plus 7 valency. Okay. And in the product, Mn has plus 2 valency. So here valency is changing from plus 7 to plus 2. So means here reduction is going on. Okay. And whereas if we see in C2O4 2 minus, carbon is oxidizing. Here its valence is plus 3 and here it has increased to plus 4. So in this case oxidation is taking place. Okay. So n factor of MnO4 is 5 as we have seen earlier. Okay. Because valence is changing from plus 7 to plus 2. So difference is 5, and n factor of C2O4 2 minus is 2. Okay. Okay. So here ratio of n factors is, if we observe, is 5 is to 2. Ratio of MnO4 minus and C2O4 2 minus. So ratio of their n factors is 5 is to 2. Okay. So since molar ratio is inversely proportional or is inverse of n factor, so therefore molar ratio in balanced reaction would be 2 is to 5. Okay, because n factors ratio of n factors was 5 is to 2, so molar ratio is just inverse of n factor, so molar ratio will be 2 is to 5. Okay, so the balance equation should will be 2 MnO4 minus plus 5 C2O4 2 minus plus 16 hydrogen ions gives 2Mn2 plus 10 CO2 and plus 8 H2O. Okay, so it is completely balanced equation. Okay, so now 2Mn, 5 C2O4 2 minus and 16 H plus. Okay, so these are the reactants after balancing equation.